Sa PBA pa rin, mula po sa dating isa sa pinakamatangkad na koponan, naging isa po ngayon sa mga kapos sa big man ng Talk and Text Tropan Texters. Tanging si Ranidel De Ocampo lamang ho na lumalarong wingman ang nakatatanging natural behemoth sa team. Dahil inumpisahan na pong gamitin ng Texters ang sistema ni Coach Norman Black, isa pang problema ang lumalabas ngayon sa puzzle ng most winningest team ng last 3 season. Ito po ay ang pangangailangan sa isang set-up big man. Bahagi po kasi ng sistema ni Black ay ang isang back-to-the-basket post-up player. At sa kaso po ng Texters, ang undersized na si Ali Pic lamang ang pwedeng gumanap sa nasabing role. Pero ayon kay Team Captain Jimmy Alapag, sanay ang Talk and Text na tumaliwas sa kung ano ang tunay na nasa blueprint ng kanilang sistema. Naniniwala si Alapag na kahit kulang ng konti sa ceiling ng Texters, kaya nila itong punan. Sa nakalipas po na 2 seasons, 5 beses na pumasok sa finals ng Talk and Text at dito'y 4 na beses silang nakasungkit ng kampiyonato. Ngayong 38 season opener ay target ng Manny V. Pangilinan franchise na maibulsa ang 3rd straight All-Pinoy crown.
Traditionally not played necessarily with a center per se these last few years, but again, you know, we have Ali Pic, who his longevity in the league speaks for itself, and he's been a big part of our success these last few years. So, you know, we're confident in all these abilities, and at the same time, you know, he still has other guys with him. You know, Ranidel and Kelly and Harvey. So, you know, I think we're okay with that position. I think we're obviously undersized, just how like we've always been the last few years. But you know, we find a way to make do. So, you know, it's up to all 15 guys to go out there and get the job done.
What else is needed?
To be honest, no, I don't think there's anything that we necessarily need. It's just a matter of really adjusting, you know, and getting better with Coach Norman's system as the season continues forward, and hopefully we can continue to improve while we're doing that.